In every pill, there is a promise of relief or ruin.
They were meant to heal, but now they kill. Our people are dying.
The opioid crisis isn't coming. It's here. In our homes, in our schools, in our streets. Everywhere.
Knowledge is indeed power. And this season, we fight back with truth, with science, with our hearts.
This is more than a show. It's a movement, an awakening, a lifeline.
Ask your pharmacist. This season, we talk opioids.
We talk drug abuse. We talk survival.
So join us and our guest pharmacists as we fight for the soul of our community in this season of your award-winning health show, Ask Your Pharmacist.
My name is Pharm Nellen Ofori.
My name is Pharm Yao Mfuafo.
I am Queen Na Ayele, and this is Ask Your Pharmacist Season 5.
Ask Your Pharmacist Season 5 is proudly brought to you by Dragnet, Letop Pharmaceuticals, Chango, Samuels Pharma Limited, Lotus Opticals, and Mega Life Sciences. This program is in partnership with the Ministry of Health.